Hi, how is it going? As of 2025, Databricks is a very promising technology. I guess people watching this video are likely already aware of the basics like Databricks is lakehouse and a big data infrastructure platform. When predicting which technology to learn in the future as an engineer to increase our competitiveness aside from our own technological prediction, how the market evaluates it is very important because it is also the evaluation of industrial leaders. On top of that, Databricks and Snowflake are very attractive technology right now with their high reputation and position as a future data and AI platform. Since it's a new technology, I think there's still limited information about best practices. I've researched various sources and summarized what I've learned and what I've understood, especially about Medallion architecture from my own experience as a data engineer. I have about 3 years of experience as a data engineer and have been an engineer for over 8 years overall. Now I'm just starting to learn Databricks. In this video, I'm gonna talk about similarities between the former data infrastructures technologies and Databricks. And I'm diving into the Medallion architecture. I hope this video will become tips for data engineers who are learning Medallion architecture. Also, some fundamental key technology, Delta Table and Unity Catalog, are outside of today's scope. Medallion architecture. The Medallion architecture consists of 3 layers: bronze, silver, and gold. At the same time, this order is also the chronological order in which data is processed. I think it's safe to say that these 3 layers are representative of the former 3 technologies. The bronze layer can be thought of as a data lake. Raw data is stored. The silver layer is where the data is made available for analysis, like a data warehouse. Cleaned, conformed data is stored. The gold layer is generally perceived as the image of data mart, where the logic of business layer is applied. Business specific or data ready for BI is stored. Bronze layer on Medallion architecture. The bronze layer, which functions like a data lake, can import almost all information sources such as API, streaming, database, text, binary, and system logs as data sources. Technically, system logs can be stored, but I think that user-related information is often more valuable, so I will only mention that it is possible, but sometimes you don't need it. In terms of implementation, it is not strictly raw data, but timestamp and metadata are added. It is stored as locally meaningful data. The locally meaningful means that it doesn't have logical meaning in the whole. Here, it is recommended to store it in Delta Lake format, and it also has the role of SSOT, single source of truth. Since it stores big data and also functions as a backup for the original data, the amount of data is large. I think this layer has a risk of cost issue and data I/O speed. Since it must be processed at high speed, I assume the data is processed incrementally in many cases. Naturally, the storage cost should be higher than that of the data lake. So we have to consider how long the data will be retained. Silver layer or Medallion architecture. Silver layer is a place where bronze data become meaningful data in the whole. Here, data become organized according to a simple ER diagram. In my gathering information, the silver layer has the following 3 roles. Number one, validation. Null check, range check, and duplication. Validation determines if it is correct or not. Number two, data cleansing. Type conversion, normalization, relation organization, standardization. Standardization, standard template of naming, type, comment, table, view, column, constraints, etc. Data cleansing, correct, execute, or complete based on judgment. Number three, error handling to detect, isolate, recover, notify, visualize. Sometimes constraint records are stored in a separate table and create dashboard of number of error records and null rate. Many things to do in this layer. Gold layer on Medallion architecture. As a data engineer, I assume that we will be doing less work on this layer where silver layer data is turned into meaningful business data for each project or task. Let me avoid commenting on this since I don't have much business experience yet. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video today. Thanks.